Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can search for messages in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Signal on your phone. After you do so, you can open any group or chat with your friend. If you want to see for the messages or search for it, you can see on the top right hand corner is 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the search icon. So go ahead and tap on search and you can search for anything. So let's suppose I have shared some football details with my friend. I'll just go ahead and search for football and you can see some of the football written text will appear over here. So let's suppose I want to search for school, so you can see school will appear. So you can see this over here and you can search it. So you can also search it by date. You can see the date option over here. You can choose it and click OK and you will see all of the chats done in the date. So I hope this video about how you can search for messages in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.